So, you want to know how to recover your chats on your new phone? It's really simple. What you have to do is open the app. Then, after this, I want you to click on the 3 points in the top right of the screen. Then, you're gonna click on Settings. After that, it will take you to this page right here. So, we're gonna click on Account. Gonna see the options, and the option of recovery is not here, so we're gonna see the other one. Let's try chat, and here it is: chat backup and transfer chats. So we're gonna click on transfer chats, then we're gonna click on OK. It's gonna have you to connect to the internet, but after that it will let you choose a Google account or a Google Drive account where you can choose it, and you can back up the chats that you saved on your older phone on the account, and just like that it will be all restored, and that's it.